Welcome to Shan. Today in this video we are going to learn the tricks and tips of multiplication table 3 or 3 times of a number. Usually parents and teachers, maths teachers particularly, insist the children to learn tables because they will not be able to do sums properly. Here it's a easy trick for children to learn third table. Usually children will play like this using this square grid for XOX and other games. Now we are going to learn a game like this. Right? Start from 1, 2, 3 in a reverse manner. Again 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what is the first whole number? 0. So I am going to write 0 here, 0 and 0 in the first row, and second row starts with 1, here also 1 and 1, and the third row starts with 2, 2, 2, and the fourth row starts with 3 and 0 here. Now your third table is ready. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. Shall we write the table here? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. That's it, children. I hope this trick and tips for table 3 will be very useful for you. If you like, subscribe Shan Math.